Welcome to our quick comparison of two popular countertop ice makers. Today we're diving into the features and performance of the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker and the Aeitto Countertop ice maker. Both machines promise to deliver ice for your home, kitchen, or office, but they cater to different preferences. Let's see how they stack up against each other in terms of ice type, production capacity, and speed. The EUHOMY Nugget ice maker produces soft, chewable nugget ice, which is highly sought after for its texture and slow melting properties. In contrast, the Aeitto Countertop ice maker offers classic bullet ice in two sizes, which is great for cocktails and quick chilling, but tends to melt faster. Depending on your preference for ice texture, this could be a significant factor in your choice. When it comes to daily production capacity, the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker excels with an impressive output of 35 pounds of ice per day, making it ideal for larger gatherings or frequent use. On the other hand, the Aeitto model produces 26 pounds per day, which is sufficient for smaller households or occasional use. If you often host parties or need a consistent supply of ice, the EUHOMY might be the better option. In terms of speed, the Aeitto Countertop ice maker takes the lead, producing its first batch of ice in just 6 minutes, compared to the EUHOMY's 7 to 10 minutes. This quick turnaround makes the Aeitto a great choice for those who want ice ready in a hurry, especially during impromptu gatherings. However, the EUHOMY's higher capacity may offset the slightly longer wait time for those who prioritize quantity over speed. To sum up, both the EUHOMY Nugget ice maker and the Aeitto Countertop ice maker have their unique advantages. If you prefer chewable nugget ice and higher production capacity, the EUHOMY is the way to go. However, if you need a compact machine that produces ice quickly, consider the Aeitto. Whichever you choose, both will serve you well in keeping your drinks cool. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons.